In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Collection Runner in Postman. If you have a set of requests you want to execute together, validate with tests, or repeat with different data, the Collection Runner is the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through selecting what to run, configuring the runner, and reading the results so you can confidently automate your API checks. Start by choosing what you want to run. In Postman's left sidebar, click Collections, then pick the collection or the specific folder you want to execute. Make sure the requests you plan to run are saved and organized the way you expect, especially if some depend on others. A clean structure helps the run reflect real workflows. Open the runner by clicking the Run icon next to your chosen collection or folder. This brings up the runner window, where you'll set the context for your run. Select an environment so variables like your base URL, tokens, or any placeholders are applied automatically. If you use variables heavily, this step prevents hard-coding and makes your runs repeatable across stages like development and production. Next, choose the number of iterations. One iteration runs the full collection once. Multiple iterations are helpful for loops, basic load checks, or data-driven runs. If you want to feed data into your requests, add a CSV or JSON data file. Each row becomes one iteration, and the column names map to variables in your requests and tests, letting you vary inputs without editing the requests themselves. You can also set a delay in milliseconds between requests, which is useful for respecting rate limits or allowing backend processes to complete. In advanced settings, consider enabling stop on error to halt the run at the first failure. Adjust cookie handling if your API depends on session behavior, and review variable persistence to control whether variables updated during a run carry over to subsequent requests or iterations. Before launching, choose which requests to include. By default, everything is checked. Uncheck any requests you do not need for this run, and drag to reorder them if necessary. Keep in mind that order matters, especially when authentication or setup requests must run first. Now click Run, and the runner executes each request in sequence using your chosen settings and data. When the run completes, review the results screen. You'll see pass, fail, or skipped status for each request, response times to help you spot performance issues, detailed test results per request, and outcomes for each iteration if you ran multiple. Use this view to identify failing tests, compare behavior across data rows, and confirm your workflow is behaving as intended.